The beauty of Cypriot beaches is well known. What is less common knowledge is how they are increasingly accessible for people with reduced mobility. Avros is paraplegic, and he uses an app to find these beaches adapted to his needs.
Of course you need the paths because it's not easy to roll in the sand. You cannot roll in the sand with a wheelchair.
Here, thanks to the European project ERMIS II, there are now ramps, rest areas and a remote-controlled wheelchair on rails. This gives people of restricted mobility fully independent access to the sea.
If you don't have equipment or machines like this, you need help from other people to get in the water. They have to carry you. Some people don't like to get help from others. Some are not feeling well asking for help. So being able to use this machine on your own, you feel free and independent again.
5 beaches in Cyprus and 2 in Syros in Greece are part of this inclusive tourism project. The total budget is just under €600,000, over 84% of which was provided by the European Union's cohesion policy. As well as access ramps and relaxation areas, the project offers 24 free-for-use wheelchairs for the sand and 7 sea-track chairs. These chairs are made of stainless steel to resist the marine environment. The sea-track itself can be assembled and dismantled in a few hours, and it is powered by an off-the-grid solar panel.
A solar panel is the ideal solution because, first of all, it's green, no impact on the environment. Second, we have to use the sun, not to depend on the grid. You don't want to stay out of power when a guy in a chair goes into the sea and the device stops because of loss of power.
Another of the project's challenges was to convince the local authorities of the importance of investing in such facilities. George is in charge of the beaches here in Paralimni. He says they have boosted tourism in the area.
The
installation of these systems has attracted people with mobility issues, not only from Cyprus, but also from abroad. They're known about now, so people with family members with reduced mobility come here. This service that we provide is advertised and people are attracted by it and they come here for this reason.
On average, 15 people with reduced mobility use these facilities every day.